Hey everybody, we are here today on Motor Mouth Nation YouTube channel with a special guest. This is my dad, Frank, with his 1949 Ford Convertible Custom. Hey Dad,
How
I
you
don't usually
doing?
get to say that. Hey Dad.
How you doing?
So Dad, tell us more about the car and how you came about getting it and how much we love it.
Well, I wouldn't have had the car if I didn't have you to go with me to Farwell, Michigan. 34 years ago, we drove it in a Jeep, put it on the Jeep, brought it back, drove night and day, and I've got the car now for 34 years.
34 years we've had this car. Dad has had this car. Tell us about the custom work on this car. There is so much work on this car, it's unbelievable.
Well, it's a 49 Ford convertible that seems to look like there's nothing done to it if you see it at first, but there's been quite a bit of custom work done on it. It's got special headlight covers.
Right, the fender has been extended
Exactly.
over the headlight.
Exactly. It's got
Go ahead.
a front clip from a Camaro, 350 Chevy engine, 350 turbo transmission, Chevy S10 Blazer rear end,
Yeah.
Pontiac flare.
Yep. Pontiac fender flares.
Exactly. It's
Ford
got
hubcaps. Working lake pipes, which I love.
right, 14-inch wheels.
Yeah. 1957 Chevy mirrors.
Exactly. Shaved door handles.
Or actually, go back to those mirrors. He actually stole those from my Merc.
Yeah.
And then I had to go buy new ones.
Exactly.
Shaved door handles. Yep.
73 Chevy steering column.
Yeah. Tilt wheel.
Tilt wheel. Working like lake pipes, as you said.
Yep.
Lowered front and rear.
Yep. A little custom work here on the gas tank and the tail lights.
Right here.
Yep. And the tail lights have been extended with your MK John pinstriping.
Right. Actually, that's a special Continental kit from a truck
Yep.
that nobody knows about.
From a van, I believe, right? Blue dots.
Blue dots, recessed.
Yeah, recessed antenna.
And by the way, all the chrome was done. Me and you, Frankie.
Yeah.
We went down to Philadelphia and had all the chrome done.
Yeah. But you spent days putting it back on because it gave you a little bit of a problem.
Oh yes, but we got it back on.
Yeah. Yeah, this car is part of our family now.
Yep.
Right, Mom? Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
That's about it.
Yep. Yeah, people love this car wherever we go with it, when we go with it. Also has a Cadillac. We'll do another video on that one soon.
Yep.
All right, Dad.
All right.
Thanks for sharing the story with the YouTube followers.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for another story.